Welcome to Vicrez Vinyl. Today we're unveiling a special order for one of our customers, showcasing our latest vibrant and artistic vinyl wrap design, Zombie Attack. Our packaging ensures your order arrives safe and secure. Let's dive in and see what's inside. Here it is, our breathtaking Zombie Attack vinyl wrap, ready to transform any vehicle into a stunning visual masterpiece. Check out this incredible graffiti-inspired design. This wrap bursts with vivid colors and intricate details. The combination of purples, greens, blues, and oranges, along with the fun and quirky zombie characters, creates a look that's both playful and eye-catching. At Vicrez Vinyl, we focus on top-notch quality. Our wraps are crafted from premium materials to ensure durability and long-lasting protection for your vehicle's paint. The air release technology guarantees a smooth, bubble-free installation, and the UV resistance keeps the colors bold and vibrant over time. Now, let's talk about Vicrez 3D. This innovative tool allows you to preview how the Zombie Attack vinyl wrap will look on your exact vehicle model before making a purchase. With Vicrez 3D, you can customize and visualize wraps, rims, and other accessories in real time, ensuring a perfect match for your style. Experiment with various designs and colors to get the exact look you want. Whether you aim to make a bold statement or give your car a unique and fresh appearance, our vinyl wraps are the ideal choice. They provide an affordable and reversible way to change your car's look without the permanence of a paint job. Thank you for choosing Vicrez Vinyl. We're excited to see how you'll use the Zombie Attack design to transform your vehicle. Visit vicrez.com to explore our entire range of vinyl wraps and take your vehicle customization to the next level. Don't forget to try out our Vicrez 3D tool for a virtual preview of your dream car makeover. Stay tuned for more unboxing videos and customer showcases. See you next time.